The rain has been going on for about an hour and a half. A solid pouring of rain. Unbelievable. It's actually hailed about like, pea size. There's a swimming pool in Vern's backyard. You can see. Carrie and I were going to go out to eat tonight. We were going to go to his favorite restaurant. And we're just kind of unstuck here. I don't really want to get out, but he didn't want to get out. It is just raining like crazy. There's actually a hummingbird. I don't know if you can see him. He's actually underneath here. He actually came up here in this downpour and he's drinking. He ran. He flew away. Wow. Unbelievable. Hope it lets up. You can see the water rushing over the sidewalk over there in the corner. This whole area right here is flooded. It's like a pool of water. I'm glad it's times like now that we have that thing built on the north side that we really appreciate it.